In today's oil and gas industry, the demands to conserve product and meet regulatory requirements are higher than ever, and leaks in your system are an early indication of impacts on asset integrity. Traditional methods for detecting leaks are cumbersome and ineffective. But SeekOps offers a better way. With our lightweight, drone-mounted, laser-based sensors, we can provide you with a precise and reliable reading on any natural gas emissions. Our equipment is so sensitive and exact that we can detect emissions lower than 1 cubic foot per hour at distances up to 300 feet, all with no false positive indications. Plus, we use the smallest drone and sensor packages available to make sure your site remains safe and secure, and our user-friendly software gives you real-time results on your asset. SeekOps is American-invented and American-made, but our experience is global. When it comes to emission leaks, we offer unmatched detection, localization, and quantification, and we'll help you understand just how much safety is impacted and how much money you could be losing. Contact SeekOps today to learn more.